Crypto has been on a wild ride. Peaks, crashes, sideways months, and now many are asking, is it about to explode again? In this video, we'll dig into the signals, the risks, and what could trigger the next big leg up. So you're not just watching, you're prepared. Here are some of the bullish signals. The total crypto market cap recently surged past $4 trillion, reflecting renewed investor interest and stronger institutional flows. The Economic Times, +3, New York Post, +3, Reuters, +3, Analysts suggest the macro backdrop is improving, money supply expansion, rate cuts on the horizon, and growing global adoption could fuel crypto's next leg up. The Daily Hodl, +1. There's mounting evidence of altcoin season setting up. Historically, when Bitcoin dominance hits certain levels, capital flows into other coins and drives large gains. Hokanews.com, +1. So, what could act as the spark? A few triggers to watch. Regulatory clarity. When governments or regulators implement crypto-friendly rules, adoption tends to rise and fears fall. Institutional money. Big firms allocating capital to crypto, ETFs, funds, corporate treasuries can create sustained demand. Macro/monetary shift. If central banks ease policy or global liquidity expands, crypto often benefits. Altcoin innovation. Real use cases in DeFi, tokenization of real-world assets, AI plus crypto combos. These drive speculation and real growth. The Economic Times, +1. But, and this is critical, explosion isn't guaranteed. Here are the risks. Regulatory crackdowns can wipe out confidence fast. Archive macro headwinds. If inflation stays high, rates don't go down, or credit tightens, crypto might retreat. Valuation excess and hype. Some analysts warn we could be building a bubble that could lead to a deep correction. Financial content, liquidity dependency. Crypto is highly sensitive to capital flows. If big money backs out, volatility spikes. So where does that leave you? Here's a simple checklist. Have a plan. Define your time horizon. Are you in for years, months, or days? Choose quality. Blue chip crypto, BTC, ETH, often less risky than chasing every new token. Manage risk. Set clear loss limits. Don't bet the farm. And consider how much crypto fits your portfolio. Stay alert. Watch for regulation, money flows, and adoption signals. These can help you enter or exit better. Expect volatility. If crypto explodes, great. But if not, you'll still be prepared. It's about positioning, not perfection. So is crypto about to explode again? Yes, it has the setup. But has the setup doesn't mean will 100%. If you're smart, you'll prepare for the move without relying on it. Let me know in the comments. What's your biggest crypto trade now? Holding for the long term or waiting for the next breakout? And if you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future crypto market breakdowns. If you want a free report with 5 crypto setup alerts and what to watch in the coming months, check the link in the description or head to ITeachStocks.com. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, stay prepared, and let's see where crypto heads next.